So hi guys, so today we're gonna talk about a really special series. So we talk about power series. So what is power series? So power series is a series of the form like this. So sigma n equal to 0 from 0 to infinity, c sub n x to the power of n. So we expand it out like this, c sub 0 plus c sub 1 x and c sub 2 x square and c sub 3 x cube and plus dot dot dot. It's like infinity of terms of x. So uh, so what is x? So x is like continuous variable. It can be one, it can be two, it can be three, or whatever. And the c sub n gonna be the constant. And we also call it the coefficient of the series. So um, so the power series may like converge for some value of x and then diverge for the other value of x. So most of the problem about power series in the calculus 2, you're gonna find uh, what value of x that make the power series converge. So so you have to find two key things about power series. So the first one is um, the radius of convergence, and the other one is the interval of convergence. So what is the radius of convergence? So for example, your power series is um, converge when your absolute value of x smaller than 1. This also means that your x gonna be between -1 and 1, right? So radius of convergence, it's basically just take the one endpoint minus the other endpoint divided by 2, and you have 1. So your radius of convergence is like 1. So basically it's like that. And also when you look from here, you also see that when you isolate like x, um this number gonna be your radius of convergence. So and like it's the same for x is equal smaller than 3, is smaller than whatever. How about x uh divided by 9 smaller than 1? So you have to isolate your the x, right? So you gonna move the 9 over here and you have x smaller than 9. So your radius of convergence is 9. Yeah, it's just simple like this. And for the interval, like I say, your x is between -1 and 1. So the interval of convergence is you just change from the inequality to this notation, like this bracket and -1 and 1. So we have like two different type of brackets, this one, and mm, the square ish things like this. So what is the difference between two of them? So actually this one is include the value that equal to the endpoint. So for example, we take the same example for between -1 and 1. So when you have this notation, it means your x gonna be greater and equal to -1 and smaller and equal to 1. So basically the difference between the two of this type of bracket, it's about equal or not equal. Yeah, so that pretty much about power series. On the next video, I will show you some problem related to power series and show you how to approach and solve the problem related to power series.